Hey everyone, what's up? On the Valor channel today, I'll show you how to make it so that only girls appear in OMTV. To do this, we need to go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, go to the Chrome Web Store, click on Search and type Video Chat Extension, yes, IP Locator for Omegle. Click Add to Chrome, then Add. There we go. And accordingly, let's go ahead and head over there. Click on, log into the account, open the extension, go to settings, and accordingly here, click on skip, like, males. There. It doesn't always work on OMTV, it works well on other roulettes, yeah, chat roulettes, but on OMTV just try it free for 7 days, then $5 a month. Pay up, and then it'll work great on OMTV too. That's it. That's all for now. This was Valor. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.